Transform your lab's efficiency with the AutoFinish. Smooth, buff, and polish a variety of restorations, from zirconia crowns to printed dentures and night guards, with unmatched consistency and accuracy. The AutoFinish has 4 powerful barrels equipped with high-speed polishing pads to ensure a mirror-like finish on all your restorations. Remember to inspect the barrel lock bars at the end of every shift to maintain optimal performance. Operating the AutoFinish is very easy with its user-friendly design. Even those with minimal training can easily navigate its intuitive interface. Plus, its automated system reduces the need for constant supervision, allowing technicians to focus on other critical tasks.
It didn't take as much of a learning curve as we thought. It is as close to plug and play as you possibly can imagine.
The features that stand out the most is simplicity. It is such a simple tool to use in the laboratory. The recipes are already in the system.
After completion, your restorations will have a mirror-like finish just like this one. With the AutoFinish, you can automate your finishing and polishing process to complete tasks 10 times faster than traditional vibratory tumblers.
I know it's daunting at first, any new piece of equipment, but I kind of feel like if we don't adapt to machinery like this is not an optional piece of equipment. This will become a mandatory piece of equipment.
Find out more about the AutoFinish and its capabilities.